Hirose's DF63W series connectors offer a 3.96mm pitch connector that is IP67 rated water resistant as well as shock and vibration resistant. These small wire-to-wire connectors are able to deliver many of the features of much larger connectors, such as up to 14 amp delivery, an all-plastic connection shell, and a visual and tactile lock confirmation when the connection is secure. The combination of small size and ruggedness makes this series of connectors ideal for a wide array of applications, including but not limited to medical devices, robotics, security systems, consumer appliances, and LED lighting.